friends. I have been talking on different topics, but today's topic is about the overseas Pakistanis or overseas patients who they want to get quality hair surgery from the best doctor around. One of the best doctors, you can say it. Nobody can say himself a best, but one of the best who takes care of yourself, who is expert, true expert in the surgery, who guides you on the merits, who cannot mislead you on money basis. And this is the quality of the best doctor which I want to see in every professional and ethical person who is doing hair transplant surgery, especially in any part of the world. So one thing is very important when you are planning to do hair surgery with me and you are abroad in any country, as for example, I told you multiple times that 4 doctors, they came to me from USA and they said to me that we don't have any relations in Pakistan, but we came here only for surgery. So when they were planning to come to Pakistan, I said to them that please take 4-night stay at least to stay in Pakistan, so that I can do a good care of you before you are leaving Pakistan after getting surgery done by me. So what I do is I keep on calling them every day in my office for 4 days, then they can leave with a great comfort, with a mindset that everything about hair is done. Now we are free to leave Pakistan for better results. So don't say me like Islamabad is very far away from Lahore, Karachi or in these cities, because people who they are interested in quality work, they can travel thousands of miles to get good hair transplant surgery. This is not a joke, and you cannot make it a joke. So the people, once they get impressed by the results, or they see that this is the true expert in hair transplant surgery, they travel thousands of miles to reach that place. Look at the importance of quality work. So don't gauge anything, don't gauge hair transplant surgery on money, don't gauge it on the traveling, don't gauge it on these things. You need to find a quality doctor for yourself who will guide you on merit, who will guide you on the best procedure you need for your baldness, and who will guide you to the results. So this is very, very important. It is neat, clean, safe surgery for the patients, and you need to find a safe surgeon for yourself for hair transplant surgery. So I always say, don't make it a joke. This is not a joke. You need to have a good quality surgery from good quality doctors. So once you are traveling from Europe side or from North America or South America, you should be in Pakistan at least for 4 nights, 5 days, 4 nights, so that we can plan a good surgery. And before planning this, you get this booked at least 90 days before, because we need to check few investigations, blood test, serology, biochemistry and everything, and endocrinology, so that we can plan a good surgery for yourself. And maybe something which is a little bit up or down can be corrected in those 90 days before going for hair transplant surgery. So planning a hair transplant surgery should be done 90 days before the hair transplant procedure. 2 things are very important, which I hate to see smokers going for hair transplant surgery. If you are a smoker, quit smoking 1 month before going for hair transplant surgery. Believe me, if you are a smoker and if anybody does hair transplant to you, you will see only 20% results. 80% of the hair will not come out, and even if they come out, those will remain very thin forever because of lack of blood supply, lack of nutrients. Smoking nicotine in any shape, like nicotine gums, vaping, electronic cigarette, hookah, or anything, it should be quitted at least 30 days before surgery. So these are the things that to keep in mind before planning a hair transplant, good hair transplant from good quality doctors. Thank you very much.